Our unique approach achieves better results in less time. We conduct shorter but more frequent lessons to build confidence and skill very quickly. Efficiency is important to us, safer sooner. We know that every child learns at his or her own pace. Our lessons offer a step-by-step development plan wherein one skill builds upon another. It's all about repetition, consistency, and repeated success. That's what gets results, and that's what we're all about. We believe age, maturity, physical strength, skills, and coordination are all important factors in creating a safe and successful class. We're incredibly proud of our Adaptive Aquatics program. This program offers lessons to special needs children and children on the autism spectrum. We meet your child exactly where they are and provide the building blocks to bridge them to the next skill level. Swimming is a lifelong activity. We strive to give each child the resources they need to be safe and successful and smiling in the water. It's incredibly fulfilling to see how quickly our students advance their skills and how they grow within our program.